Good morning. It's been some time since I did a video. I thought I'll quickly record what is happening. Today is a bit of an exciting day. The reason was not because of the market, but I had to get into few technical issues. The one account I had to, there is an issue with the API key and other things. So I'm not getting into which account is it. But so overall, I think this is the status right now. So the market has been extremely volatile. I think obviously there was a very big fall after 10 o'clock. And let me quickly take you through the trading view. All right. So this is, let me go to SENSEX now. So that is the expiry date today. So I am using only my own indicator. Unfortunately, I couldn't really do much after the trading view blocked this, right? So I will have to work on this and then see how do I really make it happen. So let's get on to this one, right? So as of now, market, definitely there is a fall at about, these are all, I know there are fake moves and it actually went here and then fell down. So I'm on this indicator at 15 minutes and there is nothing, it did not give any signal here. So I stayed on and we also got to see all the time frames are red. So there is nothing that will have to think that it's going to come back or whatever. So that's the reason I stayed back on the bearish position itself, which paid back. And as I said, I had one issue with one more account. Later on I entered that account little later, but right now both the accounts are doing quite well. So we have S1 here, which is about 83226. Not very far. Sensex is at about 83365 right now. So I would think it will probably hover between. We have the BC of this pivot point here, which is about 83551, and then the bottom is at about 83227. I think these are the 2 points which are quite critical. So let's watch what is happening between these two levels and see. So as of now, I'm not going to make any changes unless there is a substantial movement between these two levels. And I'm at the 15 minutes candle, and 15 minutes also shows extremely high volatile. But let's me get on to 1 hour. So 1 hour seems to be normal. Let me stay on 1 hour for now, and any decisions that I take would be based on 1 hour. So while I'm on 1 hour, I'm also able to see what is happening in the other time frames. In case if I have to take any call, I will quickly get on to those decisions right now. So I will also quickly show the trade flow. So let me get on to. All right, so these are all the live trades anyway. So trade flow. So this is my Jirida account, and as of now, I'm on 83,700. So this is at about 1041, and bottom I have. I mean, this is basically I would generally keep this, and then in case if market falls further, I might probably take some loss here. But then just remember, I have a lot of positions on the, I would say, skewed the volume. So I have a lot of positions on 83700 CE and then the very less positions on 83200 P. That's where I'm right now. And PNL, you can see very quickly, I started in some losses in the morning, and then there were some ups and downs. And predominantly, I stayed bearish for today. So I think that definitely paid off. And let's stay on here for now, and I will come back a little later in the day, and maybe I'll complete this entire video later today. Bye-bye. Sir, I couldn't really record during the market hours, but now I got some time. Time is at about 5:49, and I think the overall day went well, but I think rather than profits or loss, I think it's important to really look at what was the trade plan and then how the day went. It's a lot more important. So let's look at today. Sensex started about with some bit of a green candle. So overall, I think the sentiment has been not so bullish. It has been bearish, and I also stood on the bearish move, and especially this candle, I was shorting 884,000, which is 84,000, and then that definitely paid off. One mistake that I did was when this candle went up, because I was heavily on the 84,000 call option. I thought if it is going to go up, I will be getting into losses. While I did not get any buy signal from the indicator perspective, but then I started selling 84,000, 83,400 PE. That eventually got into some losses in the next candle itself, so I had to exit that. So, but that's all right. Trading is never easy game, right? But 10 o'clock candle is quite massive. This also told the direction, saying that today probably it's going to fall, and then eventually that happened. So after that, we had one reversal here, but however, the indicator really did not say buy again. So I stayed on with the on the selling the call side. So that really helped me. And I think at this point of time, I was around. In fact, I think 83,600 call option itself. So I did not exit that. But I was also building some positions on the PE side. So that's what which I have done. So eventually, so there were definitely a bit longer candles as you go here. These are all the manipulation candles, so there is no reason for Sensex to move up or down. But eventually, I have exited the entire trade about 3 o'clock, I think, so that I mean I got into some good profits, but then I did not want to. So that point of time, it would be a decision of risking all the profits versus probably getting about 50,000, 60,000. So that did not make sense to me. That's the reason I have exited all the trade, and that's what it is. So suppose, let's say, what I'll do is I will do some bit of a replay and then see if you have any good clues around any exit or entries. So let's generally once the market gets over, I tend to play this and then see if I've done any mistakes. So let's do that straight away. So I'm on 15 minutes. Maybe we'll go to, so 15 minutes, as I said, I did not give, but let's go with the 5 minutes candle and then see if there are any things that I would have done better. I will actually go with the 1 hour, and then I think the ML indicator is taking some time. All right. So this is it about yesterday. Let's wait for today, and then, so as of yesterday, pretty much all the things are bearish except this candle. Yeah, all right. So this is bullish. After that, so you can see here all the time frames. It's red here, and also we do not see any strength. So beauty of thing this one is, let's say even here, right? So when not Nifty, Sensex is trying to go up, we did not see any green flashes here. That's the reason that gives some confidence, saying that it probably will not go up. So that's the beauty of this particular indicator. So now again we had some flashes of green here, but then yeah, except these two, we did not have 15 minutes. It did not really turn up to a green, so that also gives some confidence. So this point of time, the intention is to not to stay and then pray. The intention is obviously if it green, this also turns to green, then we do not have any other option except exiting some of the call positions. So that's what it will do. So while 5 minutes gave some signals here and there, but 15 minutes, as I said, did not give any signals for us to really make an entry. So let's do one more replay with the 15 minutes. All right. I think let's wait for the. All right. So we got it. So this is 15 minutes. So as you can see, this table, there is nothing, no flashes of green at all. It's all red. In fact, deep red. Yeah, I think this is 1 day, and then there is some bit of a green there. But generally, if you're in 15 minutes, you should be worried about 3 and then 5. You can also put one minute chart also. So that also would give us some good insights into what is happening. I think that's the trade today. I think overall it's a profitable day, and I could really hold up to the profits that I got last. In fact, there were some more profits on top of that. All right, so I thought I'll quickly do this, and also I want to thank Amit from TradeFlow for we had one API issue for one of the broker, so he was able to really quickly sort that out. And thank you so much, Amit. Much appreciated. Bye bye.